During the course of a broadcast called On the Front with Kamran Shahid on Dunya TV on 5th of June 2018, Mr. Sheikh Rashid, the current Federal Minister of Railways in Pakistan, Tehreek-e-Insaf government, made very serious allegations about my client, Ms. Reham Khan, which were highly defamatory of her and entirely false. Reham Khan had no alternative other than to take legal action to vindicate her reputation, and I'm happy to say that Dunya TV has now given Reham Khan a full and unequivocal apology in the High Court in London. They have also paid her substantial libel damages and all her legal costs. Reham is obviously very pleased with the apology and the successful outcome to this matter. The most serious allegation that Sheikh Rashid made was to claim that Ms. Reham Khan had colluded with her ex-husband's political rivals, the Pakistan Muslim League, and accepted a substantial payment from or on behalf of its leader, Mr. Shehbaz Sharif, in return for writing her autobiography. Sheikh Rashid called my client a woman of worse morals than a prostitute, an allegation that caused distress to my client and her family and damaged her reputation considerably. There is no truth to this allegation whatsoever, or any of the allegations my client complained of, and they should never have been made in the first place. As a result of the publication of the allegations, Ms. Khan instructed Hamlin's LLP to seek redress on her behalf and to take legal action to vindicate her reputation. And today, in the High Court of the Royal Courts of Justice in London, Dunya TV has made a full and unequivocal public apology to my client. Dunya TV has accepted that Ms. Reham Khan never received any payments from Mr. Shehbaz Sharif or anyone in the Pakistan Muslim League for her book. Dunya TV has also given an undertaking not to repeat these false allegations about my client, and they have paid her substantial damages and her legal costs. We are very happy with the outcome for our client, Ms. Reham Khan.
I'm glad that justice has finally prevailed. It took me a long legal battle to prove my innocence and the fact that I was victimized and defamed by Dunya and several other news channels for business and political gains. I have never received any kind of money from Mr. Shehbaz Sharif for writing my book. It's hurtful that sections of Pakistani media and politicians linked with PTI made false allegations, knowing well that these allegations lacked any truth. These allegations have put my life at risk and have repercussions for me for all of my life. I hope that my victory and vindication serves as a catalyst for ethical journalism and honest politics in Pakistan. I see this as a win for all women in Pakistan who suffer character assassination. मुझे अपनी बेगुनाही साबित करने के लिए एक लंबी कानूनी जंग लड़नी पड़ी। दुनिया टीवी समेत दीगर टेलीविज़न चैनल्स ने सियासी और कारोबारी मकासद के हसूल के लिए मेरी किरदार कशी की। मैंने अपनी किताब लिखने के लिए मियाँ शहबाज शरीफ साहब से कोई पैसे नहीं लिए। ये बात इंतहाई तकलीफ़ देह है कि मीडिया के एक मखसूस तबके ने और पाकिस्तान तहरीक-ए-इंसाफ से मुंसलिक सियासतदानों ने मुझ पर इल्ज़ामात लगाए, ये जानते हुए कि इन इल्ज़ामात की कोई सदाकत नहीं है। इन बेबुनियाद इल्ज़ामात की वजह से मेरी ज़िंदगी को ख़तरे में डाला गया। मुझे यकीन है कि मेरी जीत और साबित कदमी से पाकिस्तान में अखलाकी सहाफ़त और ईमानदार सियासत को फ़रोग़ मिलेगा। मेरी जीत पाकिस्तान की उन तमाम ख़वातीन की जीत है जो मर्दाना माशरे की जानिब से किरदार कशी का शिकार हैं। मैं अपने कानूनी मावन हैमलिन्स LLP का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ। उन्होंने कानूनी जंग लड़कर मेरे लिए इंसाफ की फराहमी की और इसको यकीनी बनाया।